Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero 3 with a controller. First, connect your chosen game controller to your console or PC. Make sure any necessary drivers are installed for optimal performance. Once connected, launch Guitar Hero 3 and head into the game's options menu. We'll then adjust the control settings to map the guitar functions to your standard controller buttons, allowing you to rock out without a guitar peripheral. Now, within the control settings, you'll find options to customize your button layout. Assign the 5 fret buttons to your controller's face buttons, like X, A, B, Y, and a shoulder button. For the strum bar, a trigger or another shoulder button works best. Don't forget to map the whammy bar and star power activation to easily accessible buttons for maximum shredding. Playing with a controller requires a slightly different approach than a guitar. Focus on precise timing for your button presses, just like hitting the frets. Experiment with different button combinations to find what feels most natural for you. Remember to use the whammy bar on sustained notes for extra points and deploy star power during challenging sections to boost your score significantly. Consistent practice will improve your rhythm. If you're experiencing misnotes, check your controller's calibration settings within the game or your system. Sometimes, adjusting the audio-visual sync can also greatly improve your timing and overall experience. Don't forget to explore online communities for custom controller profiles and tips from other players. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.